If you're looking for just an internship, this definitely isn't it. This is something way more. You are going to be pleasantly surprised when you come in and you're not just, helping out around, you are fully taking lead on a lot of the activities. I have had the opportunity to work on a really exciting sidewalk project. What's beautiful about it is the terrain, so it's like right next to the river, so that was really awesome. And why this project kind of holds like a soft spot for me is because I was given the opportunity to work as the design lead on this project. I actually got to use what I learned from last summer to kind of plan the drainage network.
Yeah, so right now as like a TBTO intern, I help a lot with like some of the technical work. I'm learning like lots of different softwares currently, like HCS, Synchro, Sidra. And a lot of that, I do like lots of report writing as well. So with like any like annotations with a lot of the TIS studies I'm working on, I'm able to be part of that.
I would just say to any intern coming in that the community here, they are so willing to sit down and teach you. I love my team. They have been so supportive this entire time. My supervisor has given me some great chances to learn on different projects, and then he's also delegated tasks for me to do on my own, with also being supervised by other people on my team, so I'm never alone working on a project.
What's nice about Kimley-Horn is that we're all on the same messaging platform, so I can talk to somebody from the Fort Worth office, Salina office, downtown Dallas. It's really nice to have those web of connections, because I have had moments where I need to reach out for a project that they've done in the area. I'm able to contact them, introduce myself, not only get the information that I need, but form a connection that wasn't previously there.
I hadn't touched a single software program until last summer, and that was a huge, big step for me. All the software has helped me tremendously with my upcoming senior design project, being able to model things in a CAD space that I really wouldn't have the knowledge to do prior to this internship and getting that experience.
It's given me a lot better perspective on what life would be like post-grad. If the interns were treated differently as a shadow or kind of just given something to just like keep them busy throughout the day, I wouldn't really have a good idea of what I would actually be doing here.
So last year I was with the TPTO team, but I was interested in structures. And so they had me reach out to one of the guys on the structures team. We ended up going and inspecting the Somerset Amphitheater, which was really cool because I actually had a concert there 2 weeks after. So I kind of got to see what that world was a little bit about.
If anybody's looking for an internship, not only is Kimley-Horn the place to be, it is very educational, kind of puts you in a path of, okay, I'm learning this in school, where can I apply this to my internship now? And is this what I want to do?
They want you to grow as a person, and they're not just looking out for the company to grow.
It's been a fresh experience, more than what I expected to come into.
Kimley-Horn has definitely helped me decide what I want my future to look like.
It's such a valuable experience to have, and I'm so grateful I'm getting to do it for a second time.
There's so much opportunities with this internship program. I've been overwhelmed with like how serious that they take this, and also how many resources that they have for us.
I can definitely see myself growing here, and I just think that pathway for growth is just unmatched.